In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how I make more gains in 1 year than most people do in 5 years. You guys will never have to yo-yo diet again. I'm 41 years old, 5'7". I too used to struggle with my weight. I would try and drop the weight for 5 to 6 days, eating correctly, only to gain it back on the weekends. This was super frustrating. I was really angry with myself. Even working a desk job, I was still able to drop the weight. I went from about 170 down to about 155, and I looked like a UFC fighter on weigh-in day. I felt like my own professional athlete or my superhero. I remember getting out of the gym and I saw Superman fans going to the theater watching the movies, and they had their Superman shirt on. Whereas me, I just take off my shirt and I look like Superman. I didn't always have this physique, I had to build this physique. And for those of you guys who work a desk job, where you're not moving around a lot, it's super easy to gain weight. I felt really embarrassed, unattractive, low energy, and I felt empty inside. That aimless void will eat you from the inside out. This prevented me from being social. I didn't even want to talk to people or look them in the eyes because I knew I wasn't looking my best, and I was only putting in half of the effort and not even seeing half of the results. This affected my personal and professional life, and I noticed people wouldn't have respect for me when I would be speaking to them. They would speak over me when I'm trying to talk. This made me feel ashamed of myself. As men, we all need goals to embrace life. In this step-by-step system, I'm going to teach you guys how to get super shredded in the shortest amount of time. Point number 1, make sure you guys get a gym membership. You need to be in an environment where you're surrounded by other people that are healthy conscious. Think of the gym as a jungle. Do you want to be a strong adult lion with lionesses around him? Or do you want to be a weak prey, a gazelle? Being at the gym, it puts you at a competitive environment because other people, they're putting in work. They're trying their best to look the part. Being in shape, it's easier to befriend people at the gym. You can ask them how they build their muscles, what kinds of exercises they do, give compliments, learn from them, network from them. Point number 2, I want you guys to track your time. Audit what you're doing in a day, cut out the things that are not providing you value. Set up Google Calendar events and alarms so that you know what you have to do when you have to do it. Habit stack. You can listen to an audiobook and be working out or during your cardio. Point number 3, I need you guys to diet. That means that you need to cut out the junk food. Try not to drink calories if you can. Focus on water, black coffee, tea. If you need protein shakes, you could drink those as well. Eat whole foods. Focus on lean meats, vegetables. I eat rice, I eat carbs, and I'm able to look this good. You need to download a food tracker such as Lose It or MyFitnessPal and plug in all of your foods that you're going to eat the day before. Make sure you meal prep the day before because it just makes it easier. Because I know for me, when I'm hungry and I don't have food, I would be snacking while I'm cooking. And those snacks add up easily. This will give you a sense of structure and discipline. And if you could think of a professional athlete, they're very aware of what they're consuming. Technically, you don't need any supplements other than a basic multivitamin, creatine. Imagine how you would feel if you looked shredded and muscular. You would feel really happy and proud of yourself that you're accomplishing all of your goals. When you walk through the gym door, it's like game time. You're the star, you're the professional athlete. You're gonna feel powerful and prideful. And before, I used to think that it was hard to track the macros. It really isn't. Make sure you're weighing out your food when it's cooked or when it's thawed out. Point number 4, you need to track your workouts. I'm currently doing a push-pull leg split. I track the exercises, the sets, the weights, and the reps so that I know what I could do for the next time, make sure you warm up and increment slowly. I could do, for example, on bench, 2.5 pound plates, I can increment by 5 pounds, 10 pounds. You'll stay healthier and you'll get stronger along the way. I want you guys to be in the gym making gains. Versus me, I remember I slipped a disc. I could barely walk. I had sciatica down my right leg. I was out for over a year. Point number 5, you need 7 to 8 hours of sleep. You'll be able to work out. You'll have a better mood, more mental clarity. Your recoveries will be better. You'll feel gratitude and joy for life. And you'll be able to build this V-taper, where you have wide shoulders, you have a slim waist. That's the physique that women like. They're attracted to men who are shredded. Your recovery will be better. You'll have less acne on your face, less blackheads. The bags underneath your eyes will be reduced. You'll look more energetic, vibrant, and lively. Point number 6, make sure you reduce your stress. You may be hanging out with people who provide no value to you, people who drink, smoke, gamble, or eat junk food. You're gonna have to say no to these people. You may even have to cut out or reduce time that you spend with family as well. It's like a crab in a bucket. Misery likes company, and it's better to be in good company than in bad company. Network with people who you want to be like and learn from them. Make sure you're consuming content such as audiobook or YouTube, or even for journaling and reading books. It's pretty powerful to reprogram your mind to be who you want to be in life. You don't owe anybody anything. You do owe yourself to work harder on yourself than anyone else in this world. Point number 7, I need you guys to track your weight each week. I normally try and track my weight throughout the week. I would take progress pictures, the front, the side, and the back. I'm pretty sure if you guys follow this advice, you'll be seeing gains within the first month. You'll get those newbie gains. And if you could think of your body as a canvas and you're a painter, or maybe you're a sculptor, you're going to be building your body, and be patient with yourself. Forgive yourself, have kindness, understanding, and compassion, and know that there will be setbacks, but then you're going to adapt and overcome. Point number 8, make sure you guys hydrate. You need to allow your body enough time to absorb the water. Make sure you're getting 60 ounces of water before you go to the gym. Because I remember when I wasn't hydrating enough, and then midway towards the end of the workout, I'll be super dehydrated. It would be harder for me to perform the exercises. The experience is less enjoyable. Also, you need to be working out for an hour to 90 minutes minimum, because I know when I was only doing a half hour or 45 minutes, it's not enough. Do your main lifting in the beginning, and then you can do like stairs or the treadmill incline later on. Those are low, slow, steady state cardios, and they don't take a lot out of you. Progressively overload. And when you're in the gym, imagine that you're on a reality TV show and you're being followed around with a camera. How would you want to be displayed while you're in the gym? Putting in work or just hanging out? Point number 9, I need you guys to get your mindset right. Understand that it will take work to be able to get shredded, to drop the weight. Make sure you write out your goals. Understand that men were created to work and to create. Having goals and direction will allow you to embrace life instead of the dark side. Because I remember before, when I didn't have any goals, when I felt aimless, I embraced the dark side and I had the leading thoughts. That made me really depressed and I felt antisocial. I think health and fitness is a cheat hack, and it solves a lot of problems internal. Being this lean, it makes me feel accomplished, proud of myself, and it's way easier to approach other men, to try and form friend groups. It's easier to approach women. The only person that could stop you on this journey is you. Get out of your own way, take your ego, throw it out the window. I hope you guys feel worthy enough of getting help from other people. Because most successful people, or even professional athletes, they get help from other people. pretend like you don't know anything, because those kinds of fad diets, intermittent fasting, carnivore, water fasting, I did try them in the past, I just wasn't successful with them. Find the workouts, the diets, the habits that you like so that you could be consistent with them, so that you could build your dream body and be happier. I can promise you, if you follow these principles and advice, you will see gains and you'll be able to be on a prosperous and victorious life. If you guys need to watch this 7 to 15 times to get it into your head, to reprogram your mind, then do it. Take notes on the videos, take notes on the audiobooks that you're reading, record everything that you're doing. And if you're interested in working with me one-on-one, link in the description below. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below what resonated with you the most. I'll check you guys in the next video. Peace.